Sparkly Vixens, welcome to my channel. My name is Pinup Monroe. I do retro hauls, retro tutorials, vintage makeup tutorials, and all vintage things of that nature. So if you like the subject and the niche on this channel, hit like and subscribe, and please turn on the notification bell so you guys get more updates when I upload more videos. Now, on to why you are here. For one, guys, sorry I haven't uploaded my video in 2 days. I'm under the weather. I'm kind of sick still, so I'm just now getting out of a cold, and I feel better, but I've been feeling icky. It just seems like everyone's been getting sick. This winter, well, this fall, and it's just icky. So I'm just now coming from getting from a cold, if you can tell in my voice. So yes, guys, please forgive me for that. But anyway, this haul is about vintage purses. Hopefully you guys love vintage purses like I do. I do love vintage retro, so I just wanted to share my little collection with you guys, and hopefully you guys will like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and tell me what else you guys like to see. Also, please watch my other hauls, because I have my book haul, I have my other hauls. I am coming with a lingerie haul, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so if you guys want to see this video, please keep watching. Now guys, first purse is this purse right here. As you can kind of see, I've loved this purse a lot. It has a ribbon right here. It has like a little millinery right here on the front part of the purse. But it's a vintage 40s purse. I got this from eBay. It is really, really pretty. I really love it. I got to fix this part right here because it's like the ribbon is kind of down, but it does go up and around right here, and the ribbon comes out. So once I fix it, I'll show you guys an updated version on this purse. But this is how it looks, and it has like the little straps right here. I really like this purse. Had this purse for like a year, so that's how it looks. I really love pink purses, vintage purses. So yeah, this is one of them. It's from the 1940s, and this is a really cute purse. Now the next purse right here, guys, is a Lucid purse. One of my favorite purses, guys. I really love this one. This is another one that I really love. It's all Lucid. I got this for $60 on eBay. I was on a bidding war for this one. So it looks like this. In the front, it has like the front clip in the front, and then this is how it looks on the inside. I wore this all summer. Like, this was like one of my staples all summer. So I had this cute little vintage purse, and it's so cute. I just love the glitter and the detail glitter that is in the Lucid purse. But it is one of my favorites, one of my best possessions. The next purse, guys, is this purse right here. It's a cute little blue purse. There's a little mirror inside right here, so I glued the mirror in there because it fell when I brought it. I got this from eBay. It's another cute little purchase. I only got this for actually $20, so I was really stoked about that. And yeah, it's just a cute little purse. I wore it like a couple of times. I don't have a lot of blue, so when I seen this little cute little blue one, I just had to have it. So that's one of them. And I love like the floral detailing on this. I wish they make purses like this still. They don't make purses like this anymore. And it has like metal boning, and then the floral detail, and then it has this at the bottom. So yeah, it's just a cute little, a cute little glove purse. This is one of my favorites. Next, I got this big one from the thrift shop. Not thrift. Yeah, from the thrift store. I got this one from the thrift. Just a really cute one. I seen it and I was like, ooh, this is an old school purse because of the clasp. So that's why I got this purse, because of the clasp. And it's like, it looks brand new inside, like it's never been used. And I don't have no purses that look like this, so I got it for myself. But yeah, this is like a nice cute purse that I wanted. Just like a nice size big purse. If I wanted to go somewhere and I wanted to put all my things in, I would use this purse. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I like the velvet detailing right here, and the floral detailing and embroidery. I think they do not make purses like this no more. And plus, when you go to thrift stores, check the clasp of the purses. You can always tell they're old school or vintage if you can just look at the clasp of the purse and look at the inside detailing of it. But yeah, I really like this. I have no purses that look like this, so I had to get this for myself. My next purse is this right here. Now this is a basket purse. I am going to decorate it, but I noticed it has lucid right here. The handles is lucid and it's old school, as you can see. So this is the way it looks at the bottom. I have no basket purses, and I was like, you know what, I want to get one because it reminds me of the 1940s basket purses the ladies in war used to send when they would send their husbands off to war. They would wear purses like this, so I really wanted to get this. So I was like, this is cute, and I got this at the same place I got the last purse I showed you guys. So I thought this cute little basket purse was cute. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any basket purses like this, and if y'all do, what do y'all do with them? Do y'all just let them look like this, or do y'all decorate them? Like, let me know. Now guys, this purse is a sentimental value purse to me. It's like one of my favorites. My godmother gave this to me, so when she seen it, she thought about me and she bought this for me. So this is like one of my favorites. I look back on it, this is from the 60s, 50s, late 50s, early 60s. Look at the lucid on it. That's what I love most about this purse. And then just the gold detailing. That's what I really love about it. And they just don't make purses like this anymore. So when she gave it to me, I was so, oh my God, it touched my heart because she thought about me. So this is one of my favorite purses that I love. I wear this purse mostly out of all my purses I'm gonna show y'all. So this is like the main purse I wear, but it's like my favorite and I really love it. It has a lot of sentimental value. Do you guys have anything that holds sentimental value to you, like a purse that a relative has given you? Let me know in the comments below. This one, guys, is not vintage, but it looked vintage. It reminded me of one of these purses in the 1930s and the 1920s, so I got it for myself. It's just a cute little coin purse, but it's just all the rhinestones on it, and it just gave me vintage vibes, so I had to get it for myself. I got this from TJ Maxx. This is the inside. I never wore it. It still has the tissue paper on the inside. I never wore it because I need something really fancy to wear this with, which I have a dress I could wear this with, but I just never wore this nowhere. But I thought this was a really pretty purse. So yeah, that's one of the pretty purses that I own. But it's not vintage, but it looks vintage, but it's still beautiful. Now guys, this purse right here, I got this in a haul. I thought it was so cute. I love the gold detail. Oh, and I'm selling some vintage purses too on my Poshmark. I will make sure I put that in the description box. You guys want to check out my closet. It's my Poshmark. I sell vintage lingerie, vintage purses, vintage heels, anything vintage retro. So if you guys are interested in that, then check out my closet. I'm always uploading things daily, so let me know what you guys think about that. But yeah, this is really cute. I love the plastic, and I just love the detail and the clasp because it's old school. And then they got the then I have the the handle right here is lucid, but they just don't make them like these anymore. And I think these are just so classy and beautiful, and they're just so pretty. So this is one of them I got in a haul on eBay. So I have another one too. I have some more on eBay that I think you guys will like. This is a cute little coin purse. It's black and glittery. It has a lot of sequins and embroidery, if you guys can tell on here. It's just like a cute little coin purse. I got this. This reminds me of the 20s. And it reminds me of the 30s as well. But I thought this was so cute. I had to have this for myself. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this haul. I hope you guys like it. But this is one of my favorite purses. When I'm on the go, I like to wear cute little purses like this. Guys, this is a purse I wore all last year. This is like one of my mains I wore all last year when I was working and stuff. And this is like a cute embroidery white and gold purse. It's very pretty, and then it has a pretty embroidery, just the beading and everything. So it's a really pretty purse. I love it. I have to be careful, and just know you have to be careful with vintage purses, because if you put so much stuff in it, the handle can break, the beading embroidery can unravel. You got to remember, this is like 50, 40, 30, 50, 60, 70, 100 years old purses. So you just got to be very careful with embroidery. Let me know if you guys want me to do a video of how to take care of your vintage purses. That's a video I've never done, so that's something I can do, but let me know about that. Here's another purse, and it's just like a clutch purse, and it has like the little rhinestone right here. Here's all the embroidery, and here's the embroidery on the back. This reminds me of a dress I see Marilyn Monroe wear. One of her dresses had this type of embroidery, and this purse would went perfect with that dress, but I really like it. This one I'm very careful with because I noticed some of the rhinestones came off in the front, which I think I can just probably replace them. You can't really tell unless you look up close, but it's a really beautiful purse. It's just a cute little clutch. And yeah, I only wear this one on special occasions because it's just delicate, and you know, I am a collector, so I really like to just, you know, take care of my purses. But here's something I really think is really beautiful. I think it's a piece of tissue stuck in here, but yeah, it's a piece of tissue stuck in here because I was cleaning these purses and disinfecting them, because when you buy them from vintage stores and thrift stores, and you just gotta remember to disinfect them because you don't know who had them before you, you know, and just, you know, they can be sitting in boxes and storages and basements and attics. So you want to disinfect all your things when you buy them. So yeah, I think this is just a really pretty purse, and I really like it. And here's an old purse I got out of that same haul, and this is what it looks like. It has the gold embroidery, and this is how the inside looks. And it still has like the old tag on it, so you can tell it's an old purse. I haven't worn this purse yet, but I want to. I do want to shorten the straps, but I'm gonna leave it, you know, I'm not gonna cut the straps off. I just want the straps to be shortened because I don't like long crossbody bags. I just like little purses that I can carry like this or over my shoulder. But I think this is a really pretty purse, and I do like it is made from gold lame, so I do like that about this purse. And yeah, you can tell this is dead stock because it's never been used and it still has a tag. But yeah, this is one of the nice pretty purses that I do plan on, you know, using. Now here's a cute little bag, and I thought this was so cute. It's a 1940s purse. My son seen this purse, was like, "Mommy, you should get this purse," so I got it. But I thought this was really cute. It's just a cute little baggie. And I don't know what I would wear this with. I think I would just wear this with a cute sundress, but it's just a little purse to take with you. And yeah, and it fastens in the front, like it has like a little ball and floral embroidery, and it fastens in the front. I think it's really cute. I don't know what I would wear this one with, just like with a cute little sundress. Guys, give me ideas. What do y'all think I should wear this cute little purse with? Now my last purse is this one, guys. This is a really cute purse. I wore this a couple of times, got some compliments on it, thought it was really cute. Got this on eBay for only $5, so this was a steal for me. Have no purses that look like this, and I do like that it has like the little name inside. I do like the embroidery and the detail, and it's just a really pretty purse, and you can tell it's been loved, it's been used a lot. Whoever was the owner before me, they really love this purse, but I really like it. It's so pretty, and yeah, this is like one of the nice purses that I do own that I really like. And I think this is from the 50s or 60s. I could be wrong. Let me know if you guys have you know, history on purses and stuff. That would really help me out, but I really do like this purse. Okay, baby, so that is it. That is my vintage retro purse collection. Let me know what you guys like. Do you guys like it? Do you guys not like it? Let me know if you guys have vintage purses. How do y'all want me to do like a how do you take care of your vintage purses video? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thank you babies for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for just supporting me, and I love you guys, and I will see you babies again soon. Bye, dolls.